you also struggle with expensive herbal supplements? Yung nahihirapan ka na sa health, tapos nahihirapan ka rin sa budget. Pinipid mo din ba yung herbal supplement mo kasi mahal? Akala mo ba pag mahal, effective na? Remember, 3 to 6 times a day iniinom ang food supplement to get the best nutrition dito. So, paano magiging effective kung tinitipid natin? As part of the medical industry, I highly recommend my favorite food supplement, barley. Overall food supplement na ito. It helps with PCOS, cancer, cysts, hyperacidity, at marami pang iba. Kung price lang naman ang usapan, I discovered the Herbal Nation Barley Grass Juice Powder. I recommend this dahil 100% organic and pure barley ito. Kuha mo na ang full nutrients. Akala mo mahal to? $3.99 lang to. 100 grams at 33 servings na. Hindi mo titipirin ang pag-inom. Remember, choose wisely. Hindi dahil mahal, effective na. Sa panahon ngayon, panalo ang may natutunan. Take care!